Hi guys, this is Lima. Thanks for watching my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spray for your chicken coop. I have been making for a few months since I had the chicken, and my chicken smells really good. So let me show you how to make it. So please stay with me. Okay, you need a water spray bottle. It's a 32 ounce, and you need peppermint spray. I bought it from Walmart. It's about three or $4, and you need lemongrass. It's also from the Walmart. So let me show you. You have to fill up the water all the way up. It's very easy. I've been, like I said, I have been making it for a long time, and it smells really good. You just have to spray it before you clean up the chicken coop. Like I normally picking up every day. I just clean up the chicken coop, and this takes about 15 or 20 minutes. So you just have to fill it up like that amount, and then you just put 20 drops of peppermint. So it's going so fast, so just it just doesn't have to be 20 drops. It can be less than that, but I do it about 20 to 30 25 drops. And the lemongrass. It's about 10 drops I usually put. Okay. And it's ready. You just you do it once a day. You just spray in the chicken run and inside the chicken coop before you clean it up. It smells really good, and believe me or not, the chicken likes it. The fresh smells. So anyway, thank you. Please subscribe me, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.